Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term Symbolist movement. Introduction. The Symbolist movement emerged as a response to the conventions of the Romantic period, where poets like Shelley and Houldrin employed private symbols in their works. However, it was the French writers led by Charles Baudelaire who defined the Symbolist movement more distinctly in the mid-19th century. They were inspired by the ancient belief in correspondences, drawing connections between the human mind, the natural world, and the spiritual realm. Charles Baudelaire and the French Symbolists. Charles Baudelaire's seminal work, Fleurs du Mal, became a manifesto of the Symbolist movement. He admired Edgar Allan Poe's use of symbolism and integrated the doctrine of correspondences into his poetry. For Baudelaire, everything in the spiritual and natural worlds possessed inherent meaning and reciprocity. The French symbolists, including Arthur Rimbaud, Paul Verlaine, Stéphane Mallarmé, and Paul Valéry, followed Baudelaire's lead in using a poetic mode rich in suggestiveness and nuance. Influence on European and American literature. The Symbolist movement in France had a wide-reaching influence on European and American literature. Poets like Arthur Symons and Ernest Dowson in England and W. B. Yeats, Ezra Pound, Dylan Thomas, Hart Crane, E. E. Cummings, and Wallace Stevens in America were deeply inspired by use of private symbols by the Symbolists. The movement gained momentum in Germany through the works of Stefan George and Rainer Maria Rilke. The modern period and symbolism. In the decades after World War I, the modern period witnessed a resurgence of symbolism in literature. Major writers of this era, such as Yeats, T.S. Eliot, and Wallace Stevens, employed symbols drawn from religious and esoteric traditions. Symbolism permeated various literary forms, including lyrics, longer poems, and novels, giving rise to the works like Hart Crane's The Bridge and T.S. Eliot's The Waste Land. Decoding William Blake's complex symbolism. As a precursor to the Symbolist movement, William Blake's extensive use of symbolism presents a challenging task for literary scholars. Writers like S. Foster Damon and Northrop Frye have attempted to decode Blake's intricate symbolism, which often draws from religious and mystical sources, adding depth and complexity to his works. Conclusion. The Symbolist movement in literature revolutionized the way poets approached symbolism, elevating the use of private symbols to convey deeper meanings and emotions. Starting in France with Baudelaire and spreading to other parts of the world, this movement left an indelible mark on literature, influencing subsequent generations of poets and writers. So this was the discussion on the term Symbolist movement. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.